Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yogi Ilham Prasetyo, and today I will be presenting about my final project on object-oriented programming. Let's start with the demonstration. I already have the base for compiling and for running. I'm using Java programming language for this project, and it's the game. So let's start with the first look of the game. The name is Crystal8, and here's the username text field. You can fill it with the username, and if you don't fill it and you pay, you can play. Yeah. So here is the all of the username that I have been using before for testing, and let's input a new one. That's here done. So let's play. So here's the look of the game. You play as this character, a thief, that will collect this ball into the bag. Oh no, you can grab it. So yeah, and you can control this player movement with WASD key or the arrow key, and if you click space, the game is over. And back to menu. So let's see our previous username, Kitan. Here, only one ball. The score is 23, and let's use that name again. Let's play Kitan. Let's play this game. So there are three color. The balls consist of three colors. It's but different from each other. Color are pink, green, and purple. Each for pink is for the ball with score anything below 50. If the ball spawn with the value of below 50, it will become pink, and if it has value between 50 and 74, it will become purple like this, and anything below 75 will be green. Anything above 74 will be green. Game the pick is only so the player can get here, because if the player is able to get inside, the game will be tricky. Just get here and just take any ball. It will immediately get in like that. So you have to predict the lasso and from where the ball is ejected. The timer is 2 minutes here, and here's the score counter and the balls counter that is already processed get inside the ball. And if you lapsing like this, it will pick the first ball. That you see the mouse is here, and if you manage to press this, it will take the first one the lasso is connected with. If you release it here, the ball will not get inside the basket because you have to cheat with lasso and take it and put it inside the bag with lasso. You have if no lasso, the ball will go in. That easy. So the timer is almost up. Our score is 2051. Okay, let's see. It's updated. 2051. Let's see if there are any same things. Maybe overwritten. Okay, the data is overwritten by the latest, the high score. Okay, so just exit and let's start with the game now. So I'm using the MVP or model view presenter for the project because it's easier to manage like this, at least for me. So this for the audio that you can play in the game that I have already set it in the view. So here's for the ball. See, as I said, the ball has three colors. For anything below 50, it will be pink. Anything between 50 and 74 will be purple, and anything above it will be green. Here is for ball to move. The animation from the left to the right and the right to the left, like that. So this is the basket. I'm using asset here. I already credit all the asset in main. this main, and I will also credit it in the video below, the description. Okay, here is the draw. So if this will always set, so because the back picture is not square, so it will just for me it become proper if it's just square. It's a PNG like this with uneven sides, so I just make it square like that. The database manager, descending for the sorting. So the highest first, highest to the lowest. The game state, and here's the lasso model. The lasso is for the animation. Here's you make one variable and the target where you click the mouse in the window, and here's the current player position. For the animation, it's just this. The target minus your current position, and the current will be updated for this value, the minus, and divided by 5, and it will be added continuously until it reach the target like that. It's for checking if the ball is reached, and here's for taking the lasso back. And here's the player. I'm using asset, and I'm making it my own using Microsoft Paint. It's just simple, so not as much job to do. Here is the size for the player, and here is the default if the background if the asset is not here. If there are no asset, it will be just yellow and the smiley face, smiley text. Here is the presenter. Presenter is manage the model and the view. Here is the for the balls and the database model. Okay, and here is the main menu, also the database for showing in the table, the high score table. Here's the game view, which take me a long time to finish. And here's all the attribute from the model, and here's the function for ending the game. So it's just the function, and it will be called later. And if the game is finished, it will showing this message, and you click OK, then you go back to main menu. Yes. So here's the game view, the function. Here's for taking the background. If there are none, it will be black. And I also put music in it with 75% volume because 100% volume is just too loud for me. And here's the box that consists of the score, the counter, and the time remaining. And here's the ball spawning from the top right to the left and left bottom to the right. Here's for the ball animation. Just calling the function from the model, title, blah blah blah, and here's the lasso. For lasso it lot because it will continuously checking whether it's catching the ball or the basket or it catch none. So here is for if you press click the lasso is active and it will be animate and repaint into the color of red. So if the lasso is taking if you aim the target and the lasso the basket is blocking the lasso, it will just retract back the moment the lasso reach the basket. It's for this function is for checking. This loop for checking if the ball is catching. The lasso is catching the ball, and here is if you catch none, basket or ball, just blank. And here is for the retracting lasso. If you catch the ball with the lasso, it will be retracted and the ball will follow. Here's the animation, and here's the time limit, and here's the timer, 2 minutes or 120,000 milliseconds. Here is for the keyboard. As I said, the arrow key or WASD, which is easier for me to use. You can use any of this, and if you press space, it will finish. The game is finished. Here is a for making the basket solid, so the player won't be fit inside. It will just be around. The player will be just be around the basket, not inside it. Here for the mouse to activate the lasso. And here's the main menu. This is the mostly just the view. And here is for the leaderboard, the table. And that's it. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.